Thomas Lippert I'm Garrett LeBlanc. For my extra credit assignment, I'm going to be explaining how to go from standard form to factored form. So, just going over the equations first, standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And factored form is y equals, in parentheses, x minus s, parentheses, x minus t, parentheses. So, these equations are important in graphing parabolas and very important in quadratics. So, and the variables in this process that you need to pay attention to are a, x, b, and c. S, t, and y aren't really that important for now. After we get our final product, we'll see. So, the way that you're going to go about going from standard form to factored form is, well, the first step is to take your a, which is 1 in this case, and your c, which is -4. So you're going to do 1 times -4, which will, well, that will result in just -4. So after that, you're going to take your b, you're going to put it here, and now you're going to find out what adds up to 3, but when multiplied, adds up to -4. So in this case, it's going to be -1 and 4, because 4 minus -1 is 3, and 4 times -1 is -4. So now, after you have this, you're going to, well, this is my method of it. You're going to draw a box like this, and you're going to take what you had before, your a value, which is 1 in this case, so just x squared. You're going to take your c value, and you're going to put it in the square, -4. And now you're going to take your two values from this process, and you're going to replace it from 3. So you're going to do 4x and -1x, or just -x in this case. So then you're going to find the GCF of all of these. So, for example, well, this is an example. This is squared. This x is squared with nothing else in front of it. So, in order to get x squared, you need to have x times x. Now, to get -x, and it's not squared, you're going to need a negative number. But because there's no number in front of x, it is going to be -1. So then, you can look at what's going on here and try and find out what's this. So, what times -1 is -4? And what times x is 4x? So, this is 4. So, once you have all of these, you're going to put this all into factored form, and it's going to be, you're going to take these two numbers, x, then do -1. And then you're going to take these two numbers, it's going to be x and +4. And this will result in y. This is how you go from standard form to factored form.